Hi my people, congratulations to our beautiful mommy Uche Nancy. For this life, all you need is patience. Believe yourself, believe say Baba God go remember you. Say one day everything wey dey go south will fall in place for you. See our beautiful mommy and her 4 children, no 5 because Olebube is inclusive, celebrating their mommy's, new house. Uche Nancy bought a house barely few months ago, and now she don buy another one, come dey do the housewarming party. If you hear this woman story, where she dey live before, how she and her children barely feed from, hey God, you go talk to yourself and say, Baba God wey do am for this woman go do am for me. It can only get better. It's just time and patience. Cool down for your maker. No dey rush things. No dey rush things. No allow anybody pressure you. Ndị Igbo si na ebe onye ọsọ ruru na onye ije ga-eru ebe afọ. It's just that time frame. And ịgbagidekwa n'ọsọ, ike ga-agwụ gị n'ụzọ if you no take time. So take life jeje, take life easy. You dey see your mate, everybody don dey do things, dey show off, dey go. You go dey ask yourself, what am I not doing right? You are doing everything right, my darling. It's just your time frame, your destiny.